picked up an electric knife sharpener from a tag sale, and I want to see if it actually works. $2.50. What's up? Thanks, tag sale. So it's got suction cups on the bottom for safety, I suppose. So I'm going to suction this down, nice and sturdy. All right, here's our knife. It's dull. I'm not using my best knife because I don't trust this thing. First of all, I don't really trust electric sharpeners. I've never used one, but I'm interested to try. And this one's from a tag sale. But we got the Chef's Choice 300. Here's a piece of paper. As you can see, this thing is dull. So I looked at some other YouTube videos online. You can see how to do this. There's magnets on either side to kind of keep the knife in place as you move it through. This is the sharpening stone, and then this is the honing stone. So let's give it a whirl. Seems like the vibration actually kind of moves the knife through for you. Just kind of, I'm not really pulling it that hard until it gets to the end. The vibration kind of moves it through. And the magnet definitely sticks it to the side. Alright, that's the sharpening side. We'll go to the honing. Alright, let's give that a whirl. Did it work? Well, it's better. It's making cuts. Alright, oh, that's definitely better. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's not the sharpest thing, but, you know, $2.50 at a yard sale. I'd say that's worth it, and I would say that the electric knife sharpener actually does work. Quick update, I gave it a few passes on this steel here. Just, you know, some of these. See if I could hone it down even more. And that seems to have made it even sharper. Oh yeah, definitely. Alright, that's what I'm talking about.